To enhance the experience of using Uniware, Unicommerce has introduced a new put-away, which is the put-away returns. In this video, we will see the complete flow to create a put-away for unified returns, which handles creating put-away for both customer-initiated returns and return to origin. As you can see on the screen, we have to go to put-away from the inbound section on Uniware. Now, we have to click on the Create Put-Away button. Here, we will get the option to select the put-away type. From the drop-down, select the Put-Away Returns option. Now, you can select the return category from the drop-down as RTO, CIR, or All. Here, All includes both RTO and CIR returns. Here, we are selecting All from the return category. After creating a put-away, the next step is to add shipments in that put-away. You can set the put-away configuration for adding shipments to put-away. To do so, click on the settings icon on the top right corner. Here, you have the option to select the Add to Preview method as bulk or each. The bulk option allows you to add items in bulk, quantity-wise. The each option allows you to add items with SKU scan code with quality check control on or off. Here, we will be proceeding with the bulk mode. For this mode, the quality check config will be disabled. Click on the Save button to proceed with this put-away configuration. Now, to add shipments in the put-away, we have 4 options. Scan the return manifest code, scan the tracking or AWB number, scan the shipping package code, or scan the reverse pickup code. Every successful entry will add the package to the put-away. Here, we are scanning the return manifest code of a shipment. On scanning the return manifest code, we will see the following screen. Here you have to add the quantity of the good and the bad items. We are adding 3 items to the good quantity and 1 item to the bad quantity. For the bad quantity, we have to select some rejection reason. We also have to add the reason in the Specify Reason column. After adding the reason, click on the Add to Put-Away button. The items will be successfully added and the put-away will be closed. Now, we will be proceeding with the each mode. For this mode, the quality check config will be enabled. From the settings icon, select the each mode and set the quality check config as off. Click on the Save button to proceed with this put-away configuration. Here, we are scanning the return manifest code of a shipment. On scanning the return manifest code, we will see the following screen. Here, we will be scanning the SKU codes of all the items in the shipment. In case of marking any items as bad, we will have to select the rejection reason and enter the reason in the Specify Reason column. After successfully scanning all the items in the shipment, click on the Complete button to close the put-away. Now, we will be proceeding with the each mode with the quality check config as on. Go to the settings icon from the top right corner of your screen. Here, select the each mode and set the quality check config to on. Click on the Save button to proceed with this put-away configuration. Here, we are scanning the return manifest code of a shipment. On scanning the return manifest code, we will see the following screen. Here, we will be scanning the SKU codes of all the items in the shipment. On scanning the SKU code, we will get the following screen. Here, to mark the item as good, we have to scan the SKU code again. Now, we will see how to mark any item as bad. Do not scan the SKU code of this item. Fill in the rejection reason and specify reason columns. Now click on the Mark Bad button. Your item will be marked as bad. Similarly, we are scanning all the SKU codes one by one. After successfully scanning all the items in the shipment, click on the Complete button to close the put away. We hope that this video is helpful. Thanks.